Hey everyone, Tech Barn back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be going over a problem that I feel like a lot of you have had in the past. And myself, I'm one of those people. I hated going to my desk, sitting down and just having so many wires there where I can't even keep track of what's happening. Wires are going left, right, and center. It's crazy town. And that's something that I don't like at all. I personally love having a clean, minimalist setup. And with my keyboard that I have, the Apple Maker SK61, link in description if you want it, I really didn't like the wire that it came with, and it just seemed excessively long and it didn't go with the whole vibe of the desk. And so I thought there has to be a way to solve this. Now, for only $10, I figured out a way where I can use this to declutter my entire desk. For only $10, I picked up this coiled USB-C cable. It may not seem like much at first glance, but in reality, the amount of work that this thing does to clear up space on your desk and make it look a lot nicer is insane. Take a look for yourself. As you can see, this was before I had the cable, and this is when I have the cable now. It not only makes it look a lot cooler, it adds a bit of personal touch to your setup instead of just having to use the regular boring USB-C cable that's included. Now I do understand that some keyboards do not have a detachable wire, so in that case, if you don't, unfortunately this won't really help you. But if you're one of the lucky people who either has their keyboard attached via micro USB or USB Type-C, I would definitely go on Amazon and pick up a $10 coiled cable. Now down below in the description, I've included links to some USB Type-C coiled cables as well as some micro USB coiled cables. Definitely check them out because I really do believe that they can add value to your setup. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It honestly helps us out a bunch. And as well, if you'd like to see some more behind the scenes content and get updated on when new videos will be posted, check out our social media, our Twitter and Instagram, and drop a follow there as well. This has been Tech Barn, and as always, stay premium.